How to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Binance.com. This is the receiving account. Click on Wallet located at top right and then go to Overview. After that, click on Deposit located beside Withdraw and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Deposit Crypto. After that, you will need to select coin. I want to send USDT, so I'll select USDT. Then select network. I'm selecting BNB Smart Chain. And then copy deposit address. After you're done copying, open another account from where you want to send. Click on wallet located at top right. And then you will find all these options pop up. Click on Overview. In Overview, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down to USDT and then press on Withdraw, which is beside Deposit and Trade. Click on Withdraw and in here you will need to add address which you copied earlier and then select network that you selected earlier. After you're done that, simply scroll down and then press on Send and you're good to go. This is how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.